all right, ladies and gentlemen. The most anticipated music video. Um, Umido. I think we saw him on TikTok. I think this is his second song now that I've seen, yabo. But with this one, Bambi Makasai, Kasai, fuck. Namkelikile manene namanenekazi. Sizakholeza react man lo music video. Ingoma, I haven't listened to the full song. I haven't because I was waiting for this. I only nearly way my shit. So shout out to Mavala Space Media for coming through with us. For coming through for us, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Mavala. Where is this? This looks so similar. Is this what is this place, man? Belleville. This looks so similar about this. Fuck. Paman. Don't lend away no man students. Don't lend away students. Lapa ngase Belleville, ngase CPUT. Apa ngase Bush. I forgot the name of the place, but this place looks like that. But anyway, and go up and like was bonals by anti-assassin or whatever the fuck I'm doing right now. I don't know even why I'm doing it. Makasa, Tanaban, the hitmaker, Medio. I think laying it's about who's going on saying but Nasibu Kelly. Shout out for coming through.
Hey, Medethanda isithonga intombi egeza isithosa bambiza ngozikhona intombi yakhona imanzandonga uzikhona usuke engcobo ebezimisele ngokufunda bamthumele eCape Town kubazwa improver Medethanda isithonga intombi egeza isithosa bambiza ngozikhona intombi yakhona imanzandonga uzikhona usuke engcobo ebezimisele ngokufunda bamthumele eCape Town kubazwa improver Ndibakuyaqokwa kuqakthikapha umntu liyamgabha uzikhona bemhle apha ebusweni but wahlala emakhaza thuluthuleleni ngokhozi benihamba noyi-2
mebefuna ntoni ngiqala emakhaza. I think ndiyayibona ndithethayo because mistake yakhe uyothina emakhaza as a person xa usithi uyohlala eKapa or whatever uvele unocinga uyohlala emakhaza. Why uhlala ntoni emakhaza? Why? Awunyanisile lo mfu. Kokwantu befuna uzikhona emakhaza. Ale up.
So improver ndibakuyaqokwa kuqakthikapha umntu liyamgabha uzikhona bemhle apha ebusweni but wahlala emakhaza thuluthuleleni ngokhozi benihamba noyi-2 uthi uthula uzikhona uthanda izinto ezinkulu hamba ngobusuku hayibo uzikhona ngokuyathaba akhwitha nesidela every weekend uyaqhawuka sonke besimfunekazi ngabuza utamashava ngoba sithethe ilondo batamara usashaya makabuyele
Tamara Buddha. No. Umjita is nice. Umjita is nice. Tata lewe, tata ngomeki abo. Umjita is nice. Tata lewe, when Umjita was election. Uzayale nitata umjita. There's always la meti ekse election ekse kasi yonke yabo. Iyamazi nokubana lo. Beko la bra la simple. Beko la bra naye ecaba yo hayi ke ungathanda ke nayi victim yalewe sometimes you unaware mhlawumbe akho ayi victim yalewe. I forgive myself if I ever was. I forgive myself. So yo utamara yo hey awubra
engcobo cause up uzoba sisponsor mala ipheli phela yena yini intoni izikhona asendlini kugcwe kuwe uyiselinya
ayiko umntana lo abengase ukhona le video la ntwana bantwana nani imnandi ke nayo yo umnandi mtshana mbana siqhubeke abaliwe bamisena less than 400 views bafethu hayi ngoline lo mina ninjalo ani support nini kuthe less than 400 kodwa hayi bafethu Uzikhona is a hit lengoma. Come on. Where's the storytelling? And then how it's, come on. Okay.
Emva uthi usikhona saza spani khona indoda ezawumenzela medethanda izithonga intombi egeza isithosa bambiza ngozikhona intombi yakhona imanzandonga uzikhona usuke engcobo ebezimisele ngokufunda bamthumele eCape Town kubazwa improver
hello uzikhona kwenze njani hi John Osangenyali imbone
why did I know that was coming hi you bra hi
hello uzikhona kwenze njani hi John Osangenyali imbone kufera yebe live ehleni nenkosi uzikhona ngumami Z abembiza paper glance oh uziqalela ibusiness yo taxi weave then zingafiki teenage girls khona uzudama shabo uzikhona
uTaxi weave zingafiki hayibo uzikhona uphezulu komnye line vethu uzikhona uphezulu komnye line bafethu uzethi anti kandoni ngoy
business yo taxi weave then zingafiki teenage girls khona uzudama shabo uzikhona wangekhonje ndamothuke losimpangu uthiwa udola noma chaza ngela xesha lezikhothana thiwa kanamntana kodwa waba trokensane sikhona kanalali klinika akayithandi waxothwa ka-TB elala ne-HR
medethanda izithonga intombi egeza isithosa
hey macha sininzi lento kazikhona human resources. Hey, she's been resourceful almost this late. God damn. Now let me take it in. Let me take it all in. Whoa. Pause.
bambiza ngozikhona intombi yakhona imanzandonga uzikhona usuke engcobo ebezimisele ngokufunda bamthumele eCape Town kubazwa improver medethanda izithonga intombi egeza isithosa bambiza ngozikhona intombi yakhona imanzandonga uzikhona usuke engcobo ebezimisele ngokufunda bamthumele eCape Town kubazwa improver uzikhona bemede right slay queen sasekasi ebethandi out enespat esigcwele imali ebekleve skela ebesenza medical ngoku skip iclass iphindasha umnika ikhadi
lenoni you second verse hey yo lenoni you second verse le hayibo uthi now
uzikhona bemede right slay queen sasekasi ebethandi out enespat esigcwele imali ebekleve skela ebesenza medical ngoku skip iclass iphindasha umnika ikhadi hayibo sikhona kwenze njani ezenza uDrake Khali nase high school ebebukhali okakana type ubanjwa uMohammed Ali hayibo kuthwa sisangoma nako waba basamqavi medethanda izithonga intombi egeza isithosa
nah this kid ate this song bro like yo like I know Xasa has the aura now has the momentum right now but this kid ate this song, bro. And Makasa kind of bought in his verse brought in like a next level type Ruscon. And this boy is describing as corner that is more ekas. You know what I'm saying? But the combos do communicate, but I still think this boy would have still backed this thing on his own. But for sure, he did it. He did need that Makasa aura as well, because Makasa is a bad. His bag is basically people like Uzkona, but now this is corner is described in a different manner. I don't know about Yavaraman and Aiko. There's a high chance that Aiko, but again, they teta anyway. Getting clash, but they get coin. I don't know. I just think like. Nonsense is very important sometimes. Nyanzilanga ngazithetha into zokhayo. Oko sithetha into zokhayo.
bambiza ngosikhona intombi yakhona imanzandonga uzikhona usuke engcobo ebezimisele ngokufunda bamthumele eCape Town kubazo improver nedethanda izithonga intombi egeza isithosa bambiza ngosikhona intombi yakhona imanzandonga uzikhona usuke engcobo ebezimisele ngokufunda bamthumele eCape Town kubazo improver.
Shout out to Uzkona. Sisi, wherever you are, man. Mistake number 1 was going to Emakhaza. Right. Mistake number 2 was kwenza medicine. Suke ngcobo. Uyintoni ko Muhammad Ali? Ko my friend is khona. Indashu intoni londo. Ubra utamashavi ubra makayeke lewe yakhe makasuke kuzikhona. Akekho umuntu omazi uzikhona sinansi usithethe naye. Benike nathetha naye uzikhona. But xa emanzandonga, I mean ningamyeki bra uzikhona manje emanzandonga. Sina ndiyamfuna upart 2 man ngazikhona like. Okanye sivicala lakhe. Bekutheni azabenje. Because yenzeka ba ikhona into yenzekayo. Masidibane nozikhona sivicala lakhe. Moto.